He turned a simple service into a system built for scale. This is SoftWash Systems, a cleaning business positioned as an alternative to pressure washing, using chemical treatment to clean surfaces more effectively and with less damage. The core difference is performance. Soft washing lasts longer, uses less water, and avoids surface erosion compared to traditional pressure washing. The business has been operating for over 30 years and already built a global footprint with around 150 locations across multiple countries before moving into franchising. The model is highly systemized. Franchisees receive equipment, training, branding, and a protected territory, allowing them to launch quickly with a defined setup. A key differentiator is centralized operations. The company handles calls, bookings, dispatch, and admin from a central office, so operators focus only on selling, delivering the service, and collecting revenue. There are two operator paths. Owner-operators run the business directly, while investors can hire teams and rely on the system to manage operations. Growth comes from adding more trucks and territories rather than physical locations with no need for a storefront. However, the model depends heavily on following a strict system with limited flexibility for operators. In this model, scale comes from execution and system control, not customization.
There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.